it's me, Chimi. So here's my first YouTube channel, and actually I love dance, but it's very hardly to get the video shooter. So I'm thinking, I thought that I have to start like vlogging. Yeah, like I love to travel and go to the new places, like which I have never seen before, like here. It's just like here. Yeah, I have visited many times at the Gudi monastery, but I haven't seen like this one. Yeah, it's very totally magical. And so I'm sorry, my English is not very good. I'm not a good speaker, but actually I'm trying to learn about the new things which I've never tried before. So yeah, and I'm so loving this place. Yeah, because it has full of natures and full of beauties, just like me. I'm just kidding. Yeah. And it is my first YouTube channel, but I'm not I already told you that I'm not a good speaker, but I have to learn like more new things which I have never tried before. But it is my like guts that it's tell me like to do this one. So yeah, my mom actually told me that to go to learn the new things, like to go to school for English. Yeah, but I never tried, but I never go there because yeah, it's just like a school. Why don't we go to school like whole time? Yeah, and why don't we learn in the YouTube? Yeah, which is very benefit for us to speak in English. Yeah, I never have been like this before. Yeah, it's very peaceful. I can stay for a whole life if somebody told me to stay here, and I love to live that one. Now I will show you the beauty of the Gudi monastery. Let's check it out. So here is the stupa road. Firstly, we have to take like this tiny road, as you can see here, and we have to walk like this, and like clockwise we have to go like this, and then we have to take a long walk for get the blessing of this 8 stupa. You can see a little tiny there, 1 2 3 4, and other one is this behind the bushes, behind this tree. Yeah, it's very beautiful and very not a hot weather. It's like very beautiful weather. So let's move to get the blessing. So when you enter this road, you can see 8 stupa with the clear. Wow. And wait a minute, okay? Yeah, at there we have like a little lake there. All the birds come and have a shower there. It's very beautiful place. With 360 view. flowers are very common at the Himachal Pradesh. Yeah, it's very beautiful. You can see the 8th stupa, 4 here and 4 the last there, and I'm so much loving this place. This one, it's so pretty and so peaceful. And so why we built the stupa in the monastery area and in some holy place? Because it gives the harmony, peaceful, and for the world peace. And you can lastly check out the Gitu monastery, the beauty of the monastery. As you can see here is the wow magic moment, and the sun is covered by the cloudy, and here